Hi, this is Emily Beach, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an expressive line drawing and a directional line drawing. Both of these drawings use the element of line, but they use different types or styles of line. Today I'm going to talk to you about expressive and directional lines. The materials that I'm going to use for this exercise are a pen. I'm going to use something round. So if you just find anything round in your house, it could be a cup, it could be a roll of tape, anything that's round that will fit in your sketchbook. A sketchbook, and you will need a straight edge. So you could use an actual ruler for this. I'm just using this Great Clips gift card. So if you want to use a credit card or a gift card, that has a nice solid edge on it that I can use for drawing. I'm going to begin by tracing my circle twice on my sketchbook. You could, if your circle's larger, you could use a separate page for each one of these, but I'm going to fit both of them on one piece of paper. I'm then going to label which one is going to be expressive line, and which one is going to be directional line. And then I'm going to get started with the expressive line circle. Expressive lines are similar to organic shapes in nature. They are free-flowing, they aren't defined, and they are just going to really go along with emotions. So if you could think about happy lines and free-flowing lines. And I'm just going to start with making a few of those in one area. Then I'm going to continue on with the expressive lines. I'm going to have some curly lines that come out of those curvy lines. I'm just going to keep filling in that space. One of the things that you want to think about while you're filling in this space is to try to have a variety of different expressive lines, and also think about using some thicker lines and some thinner lines. That is also referred to as line quality in here. But just having a little bit of a variety in those will help you out. So I'm just gonna keep going. So now that I feel that I have finished the expressive line, I'm now going to move on to the directional line. Directional lines are straight lines, they are diagonal lines, they are more geometric in nature, and that's where I'm going to use my straight edge. You can either use a ruler or any straight edged or sided object. And you're going to start by creating a series of straight lines in any one direction. Make several. And then you are going to switch the direction, your directional lines of that series of lines. So I've got those. Then I'm going to start in another area and I'm going to fill that in with a series of several lines. I'm going to change the direction of those lines. And then maybe bring them over until they hit this original set of lines. And we're just going to keep doing that and continuing on until this circle is filled. It might be interesting to play around with line quality or the thickness or thinness of your lines in here. You could do that by either just going over a line to make it a little bit thicker, or you could use markers or pens that are different thicknesses just to play around with the line quality. So now I have completed the expressive and directional lines, and you can see how different they are, but they are both very effective in using line in design. If you like this video and you'd like to see more, make sure that you subscribe, and thanks for watching.